Here's how to use eSewa for insurance premium payments. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It helps us a lot. Thanks, guys. So the first step is that you should open your eSewa app. After, you can easily see insurance. Now, you need to tap on the insurance. When you tap on the insurance, there you can see a lots of insurance types: life insurance, non-life insurance. Now you need to tap on life insurance, and there you can see this. Now you tap on term life insurance, and there you need to choose that insurance bank, and there you need to mention your name, phone number, your full name, date of birth, gender, email, receiver name. So when you fill all this gap, and you need to tap on the proceed option, and you can easily pay your insurance to that bank. Or in additional, you can also pay your loan to your bank. Mention your name, number, and number of that, and your date of birth. So it's easily done. So that's how we do, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching our video.